These shorts have gained over 500 million views, and today I am going to show you exactly how they did it. Welcome back to Wealth Fox. Today we are going to talk about the power of AI and how you can start your own YouTube channel and get millions of views with little to no effort involved. Just like me, you have probably seen these videos all over your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. They are insanely popular right now, and using this artificial intelligence tool will help you make up to 10 viral clips per minute. We are going to be using a website called Opus Clips. This website will help you turn your long videos, for example, a podcast, into 10 viral clips. Their AI analyzes the video to identify the most compelling hooks, extracts relevant juicy highlights from different parts of the video, and combines these to give you the best clips. It is very simple. The first step is to find a video that you would like to cut down into smaller clips. For this example, I am going to make podcast clips. Once you have found the video you would like to use, copy the link. Then you need to head over to Opus Clips and sign up for a free account. Once you have done this, you need to paste the link into it. Then you click on Get Free Clips, and Opus Clips will do its magic and give you 10 clips. As you can see, the clips have been generated. Alongside these videos, you can see a number like this one says 99. This means that Opus Clips believes this clip has a 99 out of 100% chance of going viral. The AI automatically adds captions to the video, which will save you a lot of time, as all you need to do now is download the file. Once downloaded, all you have to do is add some music to your clip, which you can do through YouTube Shorts itself, or you can add in your own music using an editing software. Then all you have to do is upload your clip and wait for the views to start rolling in. This is a very simple process which will save you a lot of time and deliver you very good results quickly. If you're going to give this a try, make sure to let me know how it goes in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, as it really helps me out and lets me know that you're enjoying my content. Thanks for watching.